Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shilpi Unplugged. I'm Shilpi Banerjee. So friends, as you all know, we are in Galibore Nature Camp. So this is a continuation video of the last 3 videos which I had posted in my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel, like and share. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you immediately get the notification. Friends, अभी 8:30 PM है, तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं डिनर के लिए. It's very dark outside, as you can see. टेंट के सामने मैं खड़ी हूँ and it's raining heavily. तो छतरी लेके अभी जा रहे हैं. So today we have come for a nature walk. It's early morning, now it's 6:45 in the morning. So I'm going to show you all what I'm going to see here. All the animals, if any birds. Let's see. So friends, since we are walking in the forest, it's good to know the rules we all should follow while being in forest. First of all is we should not litter. कुछ भी पैकेट, बॉटल, प्लास्टिक बॉटल प्लीज थ्रो मत कीजिए फॉरेस्ट के अंदर. इट रियली लुक्स बैड एंड इट एक्चुअली मेक्स द फॉरेस्ट डर्टी. नेक्स्ट इज प्लीज डू नॉट लाइट फायर्स, क्योंकि देखिए स्पेशली साउथ इंडिया का जो भी फॉरेस्ट है ना, ये बहुत ही ड्राई फॉरेस्ट है. अगर आप लिट करोगे तो देयर इज अ हाई चांस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फायर. नेक्स्ट, यू शुड ऑल रेस्पेक्ट द वाइल्ड लाइफ. आप कुछ भी एनिमल्स देखोगे सो डोंट रिएक्ट, डोंट स्क्रीम, ऑलवेज बी क्वाइट एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज बी टू योर पाथ. जहाँ पे भी रोड है चलने के लिए, ट्राई टू बी ऑन द पाथ. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यस, एंड अप्रोप्रिएट कंफर्टेबल क्लोथिंग. सो इन द फॉरेस्ट आपको कोई भी ब्राइट कपड़ा पहनना नहीं है. यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू वेयर समथिंग विच इज लाइक कैमोफ्लेजिंग कलर्स लाइक ग्रीन, ब्राउन और ब्लैक. All these colors are okay which can get camouflaging with the forest. But please do not wear any bright colors. Then the wild animals may spot you. So this forest is especially famous for deers, elephants, a wide variety of poisonous snakes, then sambar deers, even squirrels and leopards. And that's the footmark of deers. It rained very heavily yesterday. And that is sambar deer. Sambar deer's footmark.
अच्छा ऐसे गया है क्या? हाँ ऐसे गया.
This forest is even famous for birds. You can get a lot of birds here. I don't even know the names. I could hear the birds chirping. और कुछ तो birds दिखे, but taking video or taking pictures of them were very impossible for me. So the bird watchers or the bird lovers, they can surely come to this place and the birds will definitely not disappoint you. Deer horn. And that's a snake eggshell. That's the forest and we are standing at the river bank. आप देख सकते हैं दूर में, देखिए वहाँ पे कावेरी रिवर है. Generally, wild animals they come to this place to drink water. Even the elephants come here to play with water, to take bath. Yes, but we were not so lucky to see elephants this time, but we had seen quite a number of animals, starting from grizzled giant squirrels, then owlet, deers, and even we could see the pug mark of bear, sambar deer, and the wild dogs. So after checking out from the hotel, we came to Mekedatu Sangama. As I told you all earlier that we had been to this place twice और हम लोग रुके थे Mayura Sangama. So it's basically a Sangama or a junction of two different rivers.
फ्रेंड्स अभी हम लोग मेकेडाटू संगमा में हैं. रिवर ऑन द लेफ्ट इज रिवर अर्कावती एंड रिवर ऑन द राइट इज रिवर कावेरी. तो हम लोग वहाँ से ही बहुत दूर गए थे. वहाँ पे ही है गैलीबोर नेचर कैंप. वो साइड में और भी जाना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली रिवर का डेप्थ थोड़ा कम है. जहाँ पे हम लोग थे वहाँ पे रिवर का डेप्थ 30 फीट था. तो इसलिए वहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल्स भी ज़्यादा था. यहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल्स है पर उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ का डेप्थ थोड़ा कम है. आप देख ही सकते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जन मतलब दे आर लाइक टेकिंग बाथ दे आर स्विमिंग.
So seeing by is always difficult, especially to those places which had left a mark on your memory. So this was one of them. और इतना अच्छा लगा कि now we had planned we are going to come to this place again very soon. So this is like one of the very few forests in India which still allow people for nature walk. Generally, once you visit a forest, they will take you for the safari in jeep or in buses. But here, we could walk in the forest. That was really an amazing experience. So bye bye Galibore until we come the next time. Friends, I hope that you all are enjoying my videos. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.